Sabine Alvano. Palakpakan man dyan. By the way, my name is Jose Stanley, and I will be your host on this amazing occasion. And I welcome you here in the Alvano residence here in Galicia. For sure, we'll get a lot of fun and exciting activities, so please stay tuned, sit back, and relax. Palakpakan ulit. And at this point, I would like to acknowledge all our guests, especially our cute little kids wearing their dashing and wonderful outfit. You look all handsome and beautiful with our team, Disney Princess Aurora. Masikapong palakpakan ulit! Ladies and gentlemen, are you all excited to meet and witness the Alvano family on the grand entrance? Say yes, come on!
Yeah!
All together, say yes, come on!
Yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all rise, let us all stand up. Tayuan po tayong lahat. And without further ado, please help me to welcome this beautiful family, the Alvano family, together with Daddy Randolph, Mommy Ashley, Sister Kelsey, Sister Rasha, and our adorable birthday girl, Samantha Sabine Alvano. Let's give them a big round of applause. Representing to you the Sister Rasha, Sister Kelsey, and our adorable bringer, Samantha Sabine. Let's give a round of applause for this beautiful family. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to represent to you the Alvano family together with Daddy Randolph, Mommy Ashley, Sister Kelsey, Sister Rasha, and our adorable birthday girl, Samantha Sabine. Palakpakan naman dyan! Here goes everyone, please all settle down, please all be seated. And I would like to ask, Daddy Randolph, you look so handsome for tonight's lovely occasion. Can you get the viewers, batiin mo natin ang mga bisita natin for tonight's lovely event.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Salamat at nakari kayo sa aking kaarawan ng aking anak na si Samantha Sabine. Maraming salamat sa aking mga kaibigan at nandito sa bahay namin ito. God bless sa ating lahat.
Alright, thank you so much, Daddy Randolph, for that wonderful opening remarks with our guests for tonight. And anyway, ayaw. Okay. Anyway, I would like to sing happy birthday to you, Samantha. Happy to you, Papa. Happy birthday to you. Oh yeah. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Guys. Happy birthday to you, Papa. Happy birthday to you. Alright, Samantha, it's your moment to close your eyes and make a wish.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
Sana all. Okay, play sila ng piling. Ang saya-saya ni Ma'am Grace. Parang Ewa. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ano, yung dance step niya. Hindi ko maintindihan. Parang ano lang. Parang rapper lang. Sino ka nawalan? Mamimili thank you for joining. Thank you po. Salamat po for joining. Ito po ang chair. Ayun no. Parang best dancer dito. Dito po, best dancer dito. Masyadong excited sila, ma'am, no? Hindi ko ano kung ano nakain nila. Hindi pa yung busog, ha? Hindi pa yung kumakain. Come on! Wala pa, ma'am. Oo. Wala pa, ma'am. Excited ka. Masaya sila, no? Parang gusto ko rin magpa-play ng game. Dapat daw tayo. Mami, anong nangyari sa'yo? Okay pa ba tayo? Oh, talaga, pagbibigyan ka ng prize! Prize for the best dancer! Another prize! Come on! Go ahead! Ako ba rin sa kanta? Name of your group.
Duterte kami! Forever!
Okay, ko lang naman Duterte. Oo, parang yung mga sama na pipilitan na lang. Okay, sabay-sabay from 3, 2, 1. Ano pangalan ng grupo niyo and your cheer?
Duterte!
1, 2, 3, go! Come on! Once again.
Duterte!
Power, power. Para Power Ranger naman yan. Go! Duterte kami! Okay, ulitin natin. Ano pangalan ng grupo niyo? Okay naman? O sige, mag-exhibition nga kayo. Showdown. Oh, wala na. Yun lang. Nasa yung music natin. Ate Grace. Ayun ang sinasabi ko, no? Okay, players, get ready. Position, please. On your mark. On your mark, we're gonna do the coming of the months for our album. And we're gonna start from 3 and 2 and 1. Come on. Please come forward. Your question is, kumusta sir? How are you po?
Siyempre yun.
Say, I'm fine.
Kumain ba lahat?
Sir, can you give a few message to all your supporters? And a few message to all your supporters po.
I love you!
So, ito yung question mo. Kung mabibigyan ka ng another part of the body, like for example, isang mata or isa pang ilong, ano pang gusto mong idagdag sa katawan mo? Uy, di ako nagsabi yun ah.
Sabi niya, buhok! Buhok!
Sir, bakit hindi ko mabuhok?
Siyempre, parang nakakita yung gwapo.
Sir, saan ba gusto mong mabuhukan?
Up and down!
Okay, sir, maraming salamat for officially close our program. I would like to ask the parents, the loving and proud parents of Samantha to say a thank you message, acknowledgement sa lahat ng mga bisitang nagsipunta ngayong gabi. Take it away, Sir Randall.
Good evening everyone. Thank you very much for coming to my birthday of my daughter Sabine. God bless us and thank you so much. Mabuhay kayo lahat.
Ito na talaga, hindi rin mo wala. Siyempre, magwawakas na tayo. Sir, Mommy, Ashley, can you give a few words? A thank you message to all the participants.
Nagpapasalamat sa inyo lahat. Sa mga kumari ko. Sa mga kaibigan ko.
Ano, timbang ako sa'yo? Ginagawa na lang sa Samantha. Samantha, can you say thank you to all your friends again for your birthday celebration?
Thank you all for coming.
How about from Love, can you say a few more words to all the participants?
Get from.
How about for Kelsey?
Thank you.
How about for Mommy Ashley?
Thank you.
How about for Daddy Randolph?
Thank you so much. I love you!
Alright, dito muna kayo. Once again, a big round of applause for our family. Palakpakan naman siya. Once again, let's sing all together. Happy birthday, Samantha. Come on! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big round of applause for our family. Palakpakan naman siya. Once again, this is the host for the night, Jose Stanley. Palakpakan naman siya. Sa lahat ng mga visitors puntang ngayong gabi,